Hello everybody, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use Replit AI Agent. So this platform is an amazing one if you are a developer and searching to build apps without any coding needed, so you can quickly get your hands on to Replit. Now what are you going to do is onto the platform you can see we have AI chat on Replit, we have brainstorming buddy, recipe generator, and you can easily dive into a lot more features. So you have your triggering workflow system as well, like you have N8N, and you can use all of this to build your desired application for your best outcome. Now whether you are working on a paid project or it is just something project that you need for your own, then no matter what, you can create amazing looking platforms using this. So what you need to do is simply type in here whatever that you would like for example whether it is an app or design, like for example make a calculator application with nice UI and warm toned colors. And once you do that, you simply need to click on start, and it is going to be starting to do its job and build you the application. So this literally it. If you want to dive in more, you can subscribe to our channel for more details, and I'll catch you up later on. So see you guys in the next video.